How to fix app not installed on Android. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to fix if your apps is not installed on Android. Let's just get started. First thing first, all you have to do here is go ahead and open up settings. Now this usually happens when you don't download apps from Play Store. Download it via other APK files. For example, if I download an APK from Chrome, what you need to do is go over to apps and find the app, find the source where you have downloaded from. For example, if I downloaded it from Chrome, I can just find Chrome here, tap on it, then scroll down. Here you have an option that says install unknown apps. Tap on it. Make sure the permission is allowed here, so tap on it to toggle it on, and you should be good to go. Now you can do this with any other apps or from the source where you've downloaded the app. So I'll quickly show you guys. Tap on the three dots at the top right, then go to special access. It might be a bit different if you have a different version of your Android device. Then you can find install unknown apps here, and you can easily toggle this option for any app you want from here. That is basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, like the video down below and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.